$392 back to you with another banger. If you haven't hit that like, subscriber button.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
If you haven't hit that like, subscribe, or comment button, go ahead and smash that. Like I said, we back with the content. We back. So y'all can see I got the garage set up. I got all the flags, all the countries that I've been to. You know, Estonia, or not Estonia, I got Czech Republic, Poland, Luxembourg, Belgium, Germany. Just some other crap. Y'all can see the Mopar. Took some stickers off of it. Going for a simple build now. So no more tire stickers. Like I said, this is a whole new, it's gonna be a whole new whip. So remember y'all killed me for the stickers. You're a little kid. You know, now I'm going for a clean build. So, but just to show y'all what this video is about. Definitely about a new mod. I'm gonna be unboxing everything right now, and then soon the mod will be on within the next 2 or 3 weeks. So y'all stay tuned, and we're gonna get into the video. All right, so first thing I'm gonna be unboxing is this. Let me just do everything first, so that way I'm sure y'all gonna skip through it.
I was blowing chicks like crazy. I get the bag and flip it and tumble it. Straight on the block, little mama a back, and she got ass.
We'll go with this box first. Go with this box first. Oh, so y'all can see. Whoa. 3P, baby. This is the Airlift Performance. Went with the 3P kit. I don't want to go with the 3H because it's pretty hard to install, and I'm going to install it myself. So here is the electrical system. I think this is the brain for it. That's the brain. Yep. Here's a controller. Controller. So this is the brain and all that. Everything back up in here. Little manual. So that's one of the boxes. Like I said, this car is getting a whole facelift, like splitter kit, lights. Not the cheap OPT7, but we're gonna go with the light joint, you know. So I think. Oh, then you got in here. What else? Let's see. This is the alternate harness. So this is the harness. Let's open it. Where you at? Open it. Let's see. Oh, these are airlines. So I went with 3/8 Airlines. You can see 3/8 Airlines with the harness too. I went with that. I wanted to be cheap at the time, but I talked to all my friends with bags, and they were like, "Don't cheap out, man. Don't." Like, this kit cost me $3,900. $3,900. And this is the 3P. So next we got, I don't even know what box this is. Okay, dual air compressors. So I went with the 444s, 444Cs or whatever, 444. And everyone that I know really goes to the setup. And you guys are wondering, or people that probably have bags already know, like, oh yeah, you know, it's a good setup. But most people, they go with dual air compressors. So the way, if one goes out, you got another. And I don't know what happened. I hate when I can't. There we go. I hate when I can't put something the way I got it. Still won't close. That'll be fine. And I think these are, damn it. This is suspension. Oh, this is the guy's the guy that I bought it from. His name is SS Euro. Really good guy, man. Good guy. Told him what I wanted, and yeah, he squared me away. He price matched me, beat everyone's price. So you got the front. These are the, I don't even know what to say, but these are the basically the spring slash shock slash airbag. And yeah, with the camber dampening plate, these things are just so freaking nice, man. So nice. 5.8, 5.8, I don't know what that stands for, but like I said, happy I got this. These are the fronts. And I'm not sure. I didn't do a lot of research, but I do like to track my car, obviously, from videos. Not nothing crazy, like I'm a speed demon or anything, but yeah, I like to track my car, and most people say you can track your car with airbags. I have a buddy, he has a GTR, and he has airbags, and he tracks his car too. So, and obviously this is the same one, but these are just the rears. You got the spanner wrench to adjust your ride height. I went with shocks, rear shocks. A lot of people don't go with these in the rear, and it doesn't really sit that low. I like my back wheel to tuck, so I went with these. Obviously to change this, have dampening in here too. Most people don't go with these, they just go with just the bag in the back, but like I said, I wanted to go all out. I got 2 of those, 2 bags. I'm not gonna bring it out, but you just see, it's just a bag. These are the plates. I don't know what plate these are for, but a plate. These go inside the bag like an adapter for the rear. Yeah, that is that. That is the rear. The rear. The rear. Nothing will ever fit the way it came. I'm sure you guys know lease for last, or the last thing, lease for last. This is, guys, you guys don't want to know what type of, obviously, compressor I went with, so let me show you guys. Damn. Let me try to open it, but I don't know where my shit is. Damn. I didn't even know where it went. Oh, I guess we're gonna do this. I'm gonna go get some light cutters. All right, guys, I'm back. So, you guys obviously know this box is kind of small. Went with the smaller compressor is because I still want this car to be functional, to still be able to do, you know, get groceries, store stuff in the back if I need the trunk, you know, whatever. And I went with this tank. I don't know if I should. I want to paint it black. I don't know. I'll see what I should do, but it's a 2.5 gallon tank. A lot of people go with these, but a lot of people go with the 5 gallon. I think it's a 5 gallon. This is a 3 liter tank. I think. I'm not sure what tank it is. It says it right here. 200 psi. I don't know what tank it is. I want to say this is a 3 gallon tank. He said anything 2.5 is going to be slow, so I got the 3 gallon tank. So hopefully that works out. But like I said, I'm going to be installing it myself. You know, I got back from deployment. I just been I cleaned the car really well, took the tire stickers off. The car is sitting very lower. I don't know why, it's lower now. Like I said, I got a tune for it, the airbags, lights, it's whole facelift. So y'all stay tuned for this content. Like I said, we got content coming out, so y'all stay tuned. And I appreciate y'all watching, and we out.